What's up, folks? This is Fun to Purchase Reviews, and today we wanted to share with you our experience with the new Dyson Pure Hot and Cool. Dyson, well, it's a trusted brand. This is a heater, cooler, and air purifier. And it also connects to Wi-Fi. So if you're planning to have a smart home, this is a modern and sleek piece of equipment that can get you closer to that goal. We bought this a week ago and have been using it ever since. First, let's see how you can put it together. It's so simple and quick. Remember to never lift it from the neck. Always lift it from the base. After you unbox it, you will have the main body along with two pieces of carbon filters and the shrouds. Slide the bottom down on both sides. When the shrouds are released, attach the filter and put the shrouds back in until they click in securely. Make sure to insert the filters before you turn on the fan. Plug it in and voila. Dyson has 10 levels of airflow. It can be tilted and there are 4 different rotation modes from 45 to 360 degrees. Let's talk about the air purifier. If you're suffering from allergies or live in bigger cities with air pollution problems, the air purifier improves the air quality and has different sensors to monitor and display a number of parameters, such as air quality, particulate matter, nitrogen dioxide, and oxidizing gases. It also measures humidity. Now let's go over some pros and cons and what we've experienced so far. Let me tell you, this is a baby room must-have. Dyson is a bladeless fan, thus it offers maximum safety. It is so much quieter compared to many other fans out there in the market, and if you turn on the night mode, well, it becomes even quieter. The night mode dims the screen light for you to have a more comfortable sleep. Also, you can set the timer if you don't want to have it on all night. Okay, here is for the geeky people. As I mentioned before, Dyson connects to Wi-Fi, and when you download the Dyson Link app, you can control the temperature and monitor air quality on the go. And yes, you can turn it on before you get home, or if you forget to turn it off before leaving, you can use the app for that too. So let's talk about cons. First of all, it's a cooler, so don't expect to experience an air conditioner feel, but it will give you a nice breeze. Also, if you lose the controller, the only other device that can control it is your phone. So you got to be very careful not to lose it. The price range differs between $700 to $800 Canadian, somewhere between $400 $500 US. I know what you're thinking, it's expensive. But if you want to have a pleasant experience during summer, have a heater during winter, and have an air purifier all year round, this might not be a huge investment after all, because you get all three.